Marissa, you see the plan what we did after Clarice? Cancel it, please. Cancel it. I'll be, you know what? I am coming around there now.
Marissa phone.
Is he Marissa?
No, you don't carry. I know I'm been a caller and now get her.
You know if something wrong with our phone?
You don't really know about that, Sherry. So how going? Everything alright?
Yeah, everything good.
Let me ask you something. It is still about your brother?
Not really, but me here said Lester give him a talk.
Yeah man, I know I said him give you a talk what here.
Oh, that sounds good.
Is it man give you a piece of food? Go and develop the business, but you know the thing already, isn't it?
Yeah, him tell me that part there.
Yes, Miss Wilson. Yes, these are the new bracelets we have in stock. Yes, we made these with necklace and bracelet. They come in the set. Yeah, and I guarantee you won't see this anywhere else. Yes, Miss Wilson. I can have 10 of these and I will send you 5 of this. Plus we have these as well. If you like any additional. Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you next thing. You're a sister, you think she done with the bad vibes then?
Tell you the truth in a butcher. When me talked to Clarice yesterday, it sounds genuine and Clarice no apologize to people.
Well, like how you said this on ranking also say the same thing, so I believe a piece with the one right now.
Me believe so too.
Yeah man, I'm happy about this because we can't live in a fake here.
True.
Alright now I really find a woman that I check for. And me I do what I love. You see me, which is music and farming, so that's my focus on right now.
Butcher, let me call you back please. And as soon as I hear from Marissa, call me back.
Yeah man, big up yourself man. Yeah man. Yeah, I have some work to do now.
Blood thicker than water. Not because me there you go kill my sister. You feel someone want to kill you too?
So I will have these ready by next week. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Miss Wilson. Hold on, just a minute.
You must have vexed with me.
Okay, Miss Wilson. Yes. So I have these delivered to you in a week time. Okay, thank you. Nice doing business with you. Okay.
Listen, Robert, I know you must vex with me, but I want to apologize for what I said to you the other day. I never mean that. You know I will never hurt you. Will you call me back? Clarice? Marissa over there? You alright?